Hi everyone! This March, we focused our efforts on the editor, with updates that make your workflow smoother, your layouts more precise, and your imports faster. Let's start with Automatic Text Resizing. This feature already existed, but it was quite limited. You can now choose how your text reacts to its container size during generation. Keep text size to ensure strict brand consistency. Always fit to adapt dynamically. Shrink to fit to reduce the size by defining a limit. You can also set a maximum line count. Enable visual harmony to balance line lengths, and activate truncate text as a safety net. We redesigned autofocus for human subjects. Now choose your framing zone, face, head, shoulders, or full body, and adjust the zoom level. If your image includes multiple people, set a priority. Simply enable autofocus for generation, and all your next generated visuals will include this setting. With the new Smart Drag and Drop, drag any file, image, SVG, video, or audio. Abyssale detects the file type and suggests the right layer type. Finally, we're extending the mask feature to groups. Now convert an entire group into a masked group in a single click. Edit the mask directly on the artboard or via the right panel. That's it for the March updates. A smoother editor, better framed portraits, and even more control over your layouts. Stay tuned for the next updates. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.